So this is our new cheese and charcuterie box from Stein's at Home. So I'm just going to do a bit of an unboxing and show you what's in here. So I've got, start with the Jack Stein Savory Oat Biscuits with Cornish sea salt. They're fantastic with cheese. I've got our confit duck leg, which we make in our kitchens in Padstow. Then what else have we got here? We've got hot apple and peach chutney. Now this chutney we've been making as long as I can remember. Perfect with cheese, with ham and sandwiches, all that kind of good stuff. Bread and butter pickles, so it's basically pickled cucumbers and mustard. Again, goes really well on a cheese board and with other charcuterie. And our olive tapenade, which is fantastic on bread, with a bit of chorizo or some smoked fish or something. We've got a sourdough loaf here. And then these are our signature Kalamata olives, which have been served at the seafood restaurant for 30 years in a beautiful kilner jar. And then what we got here are cheese. Now, Rick always says, in a cheese board you need a goat, a hard and a blue. So we've got here Santagueda Black Label Goat. We've got a Pickles Blue from the north of Spain. And then we've got obviously a classic hard Manchego there. So really lovely cheese selection there. And then some charcuterie. We've got some lomo, which is a cut of the ballotta ham. So again, it's really, really special. Pork, cured pork. And then we've got a spicy chorizo. That's the best chorizo for my mind. And then we've got a sobrasada, which is like a spreadable chorizo. So you could do it on the toasted sourdough or maybe on the biscuits. Fantastic that. And then something just to put down in the middle, just for everyone to have a pick at, some Catalan almonds. So there we have it, our new cheese and charcuterie box from Stein's at Home. Fantastic selection, lots of ways to do it. To be honest, I'm taking this home with me right now and I'm gonna have it tonight. Order yours at rickstein.com.